Today I'm gonna be taping a mini stick knob. I got the Bauer Twitch. I already taped the blade with steel, but today I'm gonna be taping the knob, and then my sister's actually back there taping her own stick, and then if we want to, we can compare the two after, okay? So first, I'm gonna start with the knob. I'm gonna go with Skinny Howie's white tape knob. I don't really know how much layers I do. Probably around 10. It's very silent. Alright, I'm gonna do a few more laps and then I think that will be good. I like it big, and because it feels better on the hand when you try to shoot or just pass or just play around. How about 3 more laps? Two. Final lap. 3. Allie, can you hand me the scissors? Because if I rip it with my teeth, I usually mess it up. So there's my knob. Now I gotta do the tape down here and then the blue grip tape. Let's go. Oh yeah, and of course, to seal the deal. Alright, now I gotta do this part. I'm gonna go not that long because I don't like it long. So I'll just go until probably like right here. The reason why I'm doing it with skinny tape is because I don't know where my normal tape is. So yeah. Oh, that was not very good. At least it's gonna be covered by the grip tape. What? What, the skinny? Yeah, 1 second. I'll do one more little letter here. Alright, that's good. Here. Alright, now I gotta go with the grip tape. This is always the hard part, because Howie's grip tape, it's good, but it's hard to put on sometimes. I like to keep the knob open, and it just looks better and cooler. I'm gonna stick it there, hold it down, come around. Gonna stick it there, hold it down, and come around.
Grab the scissors.
Yeah, 1 sec. Okay, and then I kind of squeeze it together like this, just to make it better. So that's it so far. Then I just gotta add the seal the deal, and then I think we're done. Then I'll show my sister's tape job. She might need a few more minutes because I think she's doing something else. But while we're waiting, I can show you my hockey sticks. There we go. Do you have the
Scissors?
scissors? Yeah. Thanks. Yeah. Alright, there's mine. So I got this skinny grip tape. I think I ran around like 15 times or something, so pretty big. And then I put skinny tape. I did skinny tape for the bottom, then some blue grip tape over top, and then wait, seal the deal.
You guys haven't eaten yet? I'm ready to go.
And then, okay, and then I actually got my real Twitch right here, and was the exact same tape job. See? Bang.
I'm gonna eat it while I'm
And there we go. Actually, I'm not finished. My bad. Forgot to do my number. Number 7. I went for blue with the, I don't know if you can see it, but right there. Went for blue with the pen to match the grip, kind of. Well, not the grip, but the colors of the stick, like teal and teal. So yeah. Now we can, okay, my sister just finished her grip tape. So she did multicolor. She did pink grip tape underneath. I think she did, no, she just went with pink grip tape underneath, no tape under. And then she went yellow grip tape for a twirl. And then she went some white skinny tape for a twirl. So that's actually pretty cool. Now we'll test out both the shots with them. Alright. I'll take 5 shots each with the Twitch. Shot 1. Shot 2. Shot 3. Shot 4. That would burnt up right down. Ah! And shot 5. Now, what's the OTB? Oh, there's tape on it. Ooh, shot 1. Shot 2. Shot 3. Snapshot. Oh. Oh. My bad. Shot 5. Comment down below. Oh, comment down below which grip tape was the best. See you.